In this video, we are featuring some of the best electric dirt bikes in order to help you with your purchase. Riding a dirt bike could turn out to be one of the most adventurous and thrilling experiences for your kids. Number 1. Razor SX500 McGrath Best Electric Dirt Bikes for Kids. The Razor Dirt Rocket Bike is highly recommended for your kids. The bike comes with the following features. It provides comfort and ease. The battery has been fully secured in the box fixed in the middle part of the bike, and in case the bike slips on the road for any reason. Number 2. Razor MX650 Rocket Electric Motocross Bike. The second best recommended electric dirt bike for your kids. The body of the bike is constructed with the combination of steel and plastic, which gives it a unique look. Number 3. Razor MX350 Rocket Electric Dirt Bike. The ride of the bike is extremely enjoyable for a kid, and he may experience the feeling of being a great racer on the road. The dirt bike comes with a unique combination of different colors. The vibrant colors give fresh energy and look appealing to the eyes. Number 4. Tao Tao Dirt Bike DB14. Tao Tao Dirt Bike DB14 gives a unique and durable look at first glance. The construction of the dirt bike is really attractive. It almost matches real racers' bike that's shown in the World Racing Championships held in the USA and UK. Number 5. MotoTec 50cc Demon Kids Gas Dirt Bike 2-stroke motorcycle. The bike features a pink color that looks cool and will particularly go well with girls, as pink is a hot favorite among girls. The solid construction of the bike makes it really stand out from other dirt bikes and attracts the attention of the bike-loving kids.